What's up, everyone? Welcome to Forever Rich. Today, we're going to do a step-by-step on installation of the Bifrost wallet. Also show you how to delegate and stake to earn that sweet 5 to 15% yield on idle assets in your wallet. If you found value in this, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's get it. All right, so the Bifrost wallet is a mobile wallet, so we're going to go on our phones. And we're going to go to our Play Store and type in Bifrost Wallet app. Here we go. And then we're going to go to the Bifrost and install. Pretty straightforward. You guys going to see how easy this is. I'm going to open. And we're going to create a new wallet. Now, this part is not going to let me record. This next part is it. You're going to hit OK. Boom. You're going to write down your recovery phrases, guys, and you're going to create the six number password. Remember, you're gonna write the 12 letters words down, and you're gonna repeat this in the safe place. You're gonna redo it, and then we're gonna put right here our password for my test wallet. So I'm going through the whole process with you. Boom. This is a screen that comes up to you. Now you have the wallet. It's installed. Now we're gonna, depending on what you're on ramp is, we're gonna purchase some Flare. So we're gonna go on to Coinbase and what I'm gonna go back. We're gonna get this address first. So purchase some Flare on the Coinbase already. We're gonna get this address so we can just send it straight over. And okay, and then you're gonna type in FLR right on top of the receive. And yep, tap to copy. So we're gonna tap the copy. Go back. I'm gonna go back to Coinbase. And we're gonna send crypto. Copy, paste. We'll paste the address right there on the send crypto. Paste, and we're gonna just click this one there. It's because it's the same address. Double check. Always double check the addresses. And we're just gonna send $3 worth. Boom. Send now. Just make sure you check everything that everything's correct here. Yep. And that's it. Flare's very fast. You got everybody right there. Flag like with the stuff. So go back. Again, type in your password. You want these parameters. You want to always take precautions. So that always put your password in. I'm gonna hit layer here. No, wait, no. My fault. We're going back out. We're going out of receive. We're in receive right now. So we're getting out of receive. And now that we're in our wallet, Flare wallet that has a $3, we're gonna click on that. And we are going to right to the three little dots next to receive. And first we have to wrap our Flare. Remember, a Flare itself is a fuel token, store of value. Wrapping it gives it smart contract capabilities for DeFi. We're gonna put 100 in, just 100 Flare, just to let's have dummy wallet. And we're gonna continue again. Just look everything over, make sure it's good. All right, yeah. Type in your password, close. And now, boom, wrapped. That's how simple that was, guys. Now you can use it for DeFi. We're gonna go to the three little dots again. We're gonna go to delegate right there. As you can see, everything is laid out for you. Make sure you look at everything. You have auto claiming you can set up if you want. If you don't want to keep checking every time, I don't need it. But if you need it, there it is. So we're gonna go everywhere to the bottom right there to edit. And we're gonna press edit. Yeah. Now, Flare lets you send your delegate, to delegate to at least two in case one doesn't meet the criteria and is down. So we're gonna try Bifrost, and always we're gonna go onto FlareMetrics to make sure that the Bifrost wallet has a good uptime and that the rewards, are worthy. So you got to always do your due diligence. You got to check on everything. I'm gonna have the FlareMetrics website down below. So right now we're gonna look for Bifrost. We're gonna go to the side. Ooh, 100%, 15% rewards. I'll take it. Uptime 100. I'll take 15. I hope you will too. So we go back. Click 3. And I'm gonna send 50. I'm gonna send 50 there. And my next 50, let's look. Let's see. Use your spark. So that one over there. Yep, boom. And 50. But again, we're gonna do our due diligence and make sure that this is worthy of us giving them our money so that they gotta be up 150. Oh man, that's awesome. So I'm gonna get 15% on that too. Let's go. I'm with it. So boom. I'm gonna go back. Put your password in again. You saw it? Yep. And we're gonna go to continue. 50%. Continue. So 50 and 50, just in case one goes down, I'm still getting some rewards, but 15 and 50, you can't go wrong with 50%, man. Press confirm. And that's it. Yep. You make sure that you look over every transaction. People. Make sure, that's just as important as keeping your seed phrases and your password safe somewhere. Because this is now your bank account. So you guys gotta understand that. So boom, that's it. You did that. Now you're delegated. You're earning 15% on that. That's awesome. Now we're gonna not try. I'm gonna show you how to stake now. I'm gonna go back to the wallet. Now staking is regular, just Flare, not wrap Flare. So we're gonna enable the staking for the three dots. See, look everything over, and you're opening up your gateway to the P chain. The P chain is C chain is where all the DeFi happens. P chain is where the staking happens with the nodes and everything. So we're gonna need to press that cross chain because we're gonna need to send our Flare, regular Flare, not wrap Flare, to the P chain to our new P chain address. So we're going to hit cross chain and read everything about if you need. I just explained mostly everything already for you. And we go to continue. And okay, I'm going to just, okay, 100 as well. Now, now with the P chain and everything with staking, you need a minimum of 50,000 Flare, and you need to lock it up for at least 14 days. I'm not going to be doing that. I already have mine locked up. I'm going to show you the process, as you can see right now, that you can send it over. So then you just send it over, and then these two options in the bottom will appear once you have 50,000. I'm not going to put 50,000, but as you can see, it's right there, and it'll walk you straight through. You would do the whole stake, hit the bottom button right there in stake, and that's it. So then you will stake it, and pick your who you're going to stake it to. Now, we also need to check the nodes. So if you have a node in mind, we could go to the Flare validator tracker. Again, I'm going to have this in the bottom. Go to it right now. And these are all the nodes, so you can see who's up. You want to check up times. You want to make sure that these people are on, so that you get your. Because if they don't meet that uptime, you don't get rewarded. Yeah, so that's how simple that is. You delegate it, you're getting 15%, which I think is very good. With minimum risk. There's no like barely any risk. It's just that if they don't meet the minimum requirements, but we checked that. We did our due diligence, and you're going to do your due diligence as well when you stake, and you get more rewards there. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for coming out. Again, if you found value in this, hit the like, subscribe, bell notifications, and I'll see you next time when I teach you how to wrap some XRP.